There are many people all over the world who are looking to learn English, and this means that there is a great need that we can achieve by creating a YouTube channel and teaching English in less than 4 months to an extremely high income. Well, tell me, how many dollars do you think the CPM of this channel is? Write in the comment. Let's check some of the challenges that are active in this field, and you can get ideas from these channels and make this video from the most viewed video and see the income of these channels. If you want to grow much faster, try to make videos every day and also use short videos every few days so that your channel fits better. One of the secrets that no one will tell you for the explosive growth of such channels is to try to use videos over 1 hour, which will get extremely high view, and the income of such long video is high because in one video of 1 hour shows about 7 ads, which means 7 times of the income of a long video under 8 minutes. Well, if you have any question, be sure to ask them in the comments so that I can answer them. Goodbye.